June 1st to November 30th is known as hurricane season, with the peak of hurricane season occurring in September. Weatherbug is here just in time to give you a rundown on what to expect for 2020 hurricane season. To forecast hurricanes, the current states of sea temperature anomalies and phases are compared to those from previous years. Adding in a few other climate factors, we're able to construct a reasonable forecast for the Atlantic Basin, which includes the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. The El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO for short, tells us whether or not El Niño or La Niña is occurring. El Niño is persistent ocean warmth in the central and eastern Pacific, while La Niña is the converse. El Niño changes the upper-level wind speed and direction over the Atlantic hurricane basin, making it difficult for the tropical thunderstorms that develop into hurricanes to form. La Niña does the exact opposite. Current weather models forecast a 67% chance of an above-average hurricane season for 2020. Atlantic Multidecadal Oscillation, or AMO, is the status of water temperatures and sea level pressures in the far eastern Atlantic. AMO cycles generally last 20 to 30 years, and it's mainly been positive since 1995. A positive phase usually increases the chance of tropical storm development, whereas a negative phase means less activity. The current AMO model constructed by the U.S. government weather agency, NOAA, is enhanced, and the model put forward by Colorado State University agrees with this assessment. Looking at all of the information, we're forecasting an enhanced AMO. Current sea surface temperature anomalies point toward a possible weak La Niña and enhanced AMO conditions. The less rain there is in West Africa during critical periods like from June to August, the more Saharan dust there is in the air. This dust stabilizes the atmosphere while minimizing incoming solar radiation, inhibiting the growth of thunderstorms that can develop into tropical systems. That means the lower the chances of precipitation in West Africa, the lower the chances of hurricanes. The current forecast level of Saharan dust is near average, and wet conditions off the coast of West Africa suggest active monsoon trough, which, if it persists, may negate any dust. Last year, 10 to 14 named storms, 4 to 7 hurricanes, and 2 to 3 major hurricanes were predicted, with 18 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes actually occurring, including Hurricane Dorian, a Category 5 hurricane, the strongest in modern record to strike the northwestern Bahamas. If we keep up our track record, in 2020 we'll experience 16 to 19 named storms, 9 to 12 hurricanes, and 4 to 6 major hurricanes, with specific areas of concern being the Gulf of Mexico, Florida, the mid-Atlantic coast, and southern states between Florida and Texas. Early season storms from June to August will likely occur in the Gulf of Mexico and off the East Coast before spreading into the Atlantic and then Caribbean by August. The most active months will be September and October, with frequent storms off the Gulf of Mexico and the eastern seaboard.